Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make a scallop neckline. A scallop neckline. Draft a basic bodice. Mark neck width of 5 inches or less. Then mark 7 inches depth or according to your preference. Connect them together like this. Give it half-inch spacing or as you desire. Connect the spacing like this. You will have something like this when you cut it out. This is the final look of your scallop neckline. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.